All right, we're done with the roof. Let's go up here and take a look. Okay. I'm stepping on the flat roof. That's a little minor cleanup here on the flat roof, but that's what it is. As you can see, nice roof here. Saxony slate, Okeechobee. It's something blend. I don't know the complete name of it, but it's something blend. But you can see I'm not gonna walk on it. That's not what I'm gonna do. As you can see, this is it right here. Nice brand new roof. Slate tile, beautiful color. And we all done. So we did this here, this flat roof here, and we've been having rain for the last 4 or 5 days. So what you're seeing now, I don't see no water spots, anything like that, which you sometimes see on the roof. We got this connection here where this slope roof connects to the flat roof here. And we got like a slope here, which you can see right here. We got a slope, so the water comes, it's going away from the edge there where you can probably have leaks. And of course, we got a metal flashing underneath there. So whatever you see on this side here is pretty much on the other side. Everything is blending in. And we had a roof before, we had a roof like that over there. So really the roof is your actual decorative item. Everything underneath is what's really secure your roof from leaks and things like that. But this is just gives you a different added feature as far as the look and everything that we have here. So I'm excited about it. On to the next one, right? But this is how we do roofs in South Florida. We got everything inspected. So now we got to do a pool test. A pool test is an engineer comes out and they actually pull to make sure that everything is stable. And then we get a letter. We give that to the municipality when we do our final inspection. So they're just making sure that nothing is loose, anything like that. Everything is done the way it's supposed to be done, to code. And we're just gonna keep it rocking, man. That's what we do. We're just gonna keep this thing rocking. Nice. Completed roof. You saw it from the very beginning. Keep watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like, share. We're going to try to show you everything about construction, whether it's building from ground up. In this case, here's a roof. We got a modified flat roof. We got a tile roof here. Sometimes we do a shingle roof. So just keep watching. Hopefully you learn a thing or two. And this is Darmac Builders coming to you from South Florida. Peace.